review, and I haven't uploaded in quite a while now because I have had busy weekends. One more thing, I'm going to be getting a new hairstyle, and it is going to be long and puffy. Well, I'm not sure how long it's going to be. But anyway, let's get on with this video. We have Luke's speeder right here. This is an awesome set. It looks really cool. It comes with Luke Skywalker, C-3PO, and a Jawa. And I really want to build this, so let's go ahead and build. Before we build this, guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a like and ring that bell so you don't miss out on one of my videos. And I really need more subscribers, so hit that subscribe button. Okay, before we build this, let's just open this up. Where's the tape? Like last time, I don't care what people say. I just cut towards myself. Is this literally the wrong side of the knife? Is it even... This knife has gotten more blunt. Okay, no, it's good. Oh yeah, there's a lot of bags. We got bag 2. Yeah. The instructions. And it comes with one this time. This comes with bag 1. Bag 3, and some stickers. So let's go ahead and have a time lapse of me building it. Okay guys, so we are finished. Hope you guys like this video. This is the finished product, and here is the Jarvis hut that came with it. I was thinking about building it, but I ended up doing it. So I was thinking about skipping it. But hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and leave it in the comments if you want me to do another one. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time.